Hi, teacher. Eu vou fazer aqui a Parlenda que você mandou na timeline. 1, 2, book my shoe. 3, 4, shoot the door. 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, lay 3 straight. 9, 10, a big fat chain. Bye, teacher.
Hi, teacher. My name is Valentina. Minha apresentação. Potatoes in brown is planted across the floor. Later grow and is left put in hatter. Bye, teacher. Love it. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, shoot my door. 5, 6, a big 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 9, 10, a big fat hand.
Hi, teacher. My name is Bianca. This is my activity folklore. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, shut the door. 5, 6, a pick up sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a big fat hen. Bye bye, teacher.
1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, shut the door. 5, 6, pick a six. 7, 8, 10, 9, 10, a vicinarita. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, shut the door. 5, 6, pick the sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a big fast hand. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, shut the door. 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a big fat hen. Bye bye.
Na. Everybody clap. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, shut the door. 5, 6, pick up stick. 7, 8, no let's stay straight. 9, 10, a big fat hen. Let the engage. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, shut the door. 5, 6, pick up stick. 7, 8, no late 3 state. 9, 10, a big hen and fridge.
1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, shut the door. 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, lay 10 straight. 9, 10, a big fat hen.
Hello, my name is Rafa. It is my English activity. 1, 2, tie my shoes. 3, 4, shut the door. 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a big fast hand. Bye bye. Bop what?
1, 2, buckle my shoe.
3, 4, shut the floor. 6, pick up the street. 7, 8, 10, 9, 10, a big fat. 9, 10, a big fat hen. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, shut the door. 5, 6, pick up the sticks. 7, 8, lay the straight. 9, 10, a big fat hen.
Oi, eu tô fazendo aqui um negócio da aula de
English.
inglês. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, shut the door. 5, 6, pick the sticks. 7, 8, light straight. 9, 10, big and fat hen.